I don't know how cold it is out here. I'm pretty confident it's cold enough. Dogs' turds are freezing before they hit the ground. It's today it's supposed to get up to a balmy -25, but that gives us an advantage, eh? We get to when it's cold and we have some snow. Don't have a whole bunch of snow, but we have enough. Got a burn permit. We can have a fire. So about 2 years ago, we had a tornado rip through and we lost, well, some trees were on their way out, but it finished them off. We lost over 50 trees out here, which on the prairies is pretty valuable. They'll grow back. Grandkids will have them. Anyways, I am just heading overhead to get a stick to light this thing on fire. But if you look here, this used to be a nice foresty area, and now it is kind of not much. I'll get set up. Okay, I've been doing some chores today, and snow machine is a beautiful thing. Now I have to take a lot of fuel out of old vehicles. This is a great way to get rid of it. That's going on that pile. The only problem is that fuel is a little unpredictable because we don't know if it'll burn or not. We're gonna give it a go. This is the last huge pile we gotta burn. I mean, I have truckloads and truckloads of big stuff out back. This is just in the way to develop this area, otherwise I'd cut it up, but I got 2 years of cutting stuff up, and this is all kind of nasty little stuff. So, is what it is. It's one thing that the guy never has time to do everything you want. So this thing is just getting burned. It's a lot of wood. That gas that's on that wood pile is under a year old. It won't even burn. Yep. It's full of snow. Four hours later. Not much left of the pile. There'll be some I'll have to clean up in the summer. Pretty done. I was gonna start the old tractor, but it's outside and I feel sorry for it, so I think we'll just deal with this in the spring. I'll do another pile out back somewhere.